Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and get started with connecting Avalara to your Odoo website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here, odoo.com, if you're not already. So if you do not already have it open up, go right there and open up this homepage from where we can get started logging in. So in the upper right corner, the first thing you need to do is log in. If you do not already have an account, you can just go and create one. So after logging in, this is the main page, and now we can get started following this documentation page right here on the official odoo.com website on AvaTax integration. So this is Avalara's AvaTax, which is a cloud-based tax software that you can go ahead and integrate into your website. So how to get started setting it up? What you want to do is go to the official documentation page right here and open up AvaTax integration to follow the steps. So basically guys, you are going to need an Avalara account and account ID that you're going to be using for connecting to AvaTax. Then you can get started following the steps right here on how to get started with getting your license and API keys that you can implement directly into your website and get started with the configuration. So you're going to go to the configuration settings right here at the top of the screen and access your settings, from where you can get started following the rest of the steps right here. If you have a store, you're going to have the accounting app within your configuration settings, and you can install more apps from configuration to get started setting up Avalara and AvaTax. So that is how it's done. Follow the steps right here. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.